The maritime domain is vital for energy, trade, and security. Protecting it is more critical than ever. The maritime domain faces both conventional and evolving hybrid threats: surface, subsurface, and seabed warfare. Advanced surveillance is essential, and the next generation solution demands a smarter, more effective alternative. Meet the IAI-ELTA's Challenger 650 MPA ASW, the next generation of maritime patrol that brings the ultimate solution for current challenges. Smart, efficient, and effective. Built for better performance. Equipped with the cutting-edge Sea Catcher radar for wide, long-range coverage at high altitudes, EO/IR, and acoustic sensors, AIS, EL-3360, secure communications, and an integrated self-protection suite. Enabling full-spectrum threat detection for anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare. For full-spectrum threat detection, the CL650 MPA integrates seamlessly with naval operations, providing real-time intelligence for strategic decision-making. Armed with torpedoes and air-to-surface missiles, bringing an end-to-end naval solution for any situation. With high-speed deployment and extended radar range, the CL650 MPA covers vast areas faster and more effective, achieving in one flight what legacy solutions need multiple sorties to accomplish. From safeguarding economic waters to disrupt submarines' activity and executing rescue missions. A mid-size jet-powered alternative. The optimal solution for today's maritime defense challenges. Challenger 650 MPA ASW, a new category in maritime defense. Smart, efficient, effective. IAI-ELTA. The future is here.